How you going, ladies and gentlemen? Average Garage here. Now behind me you can see what I just carried in, which was bloody heavy. I've been really excited for this for quite a while. I've been waiting for it to come in for about 6 months. I ordered it 6 months ago and it's only just rocked up. But today is the day I finally get to fit it. And it's a Piak loopless bar for my Pajero Sport. So I'm going to run you through how to remove the front bumper on the Pajero Sport, because I know a lot of people are unsure about that. And we're going to fit this up, fit the winch up, and yeah, let's go along for a journey. And I hope you enjoy it. Cheers. Alright guys, so I've just unboxed it all and unwrapped it all, and it was heavy and a pain in the ass, but man, those Thai guys can wrap. Like, there's so much rubbish that I've got to get rid of now, and it took a lot of cutting open. Alright ladies and gentlemen, trying a new camera at the moment. It's just one that I had laying around that I thought might be a little bit better. So I'm about to pull the Pajero in and we're going to get started with the winch bar install, so wish me luck. Alright, so I'm just about to get started on the bumper here. So I've got to remove the 3 screws down in here, or the bolts I should say. The fog light covers, the front here, they've got to come off. You can pry them off, but it's a bit tricky. And I've got to take the grill off at the front. So these are just a couple of speed clips and that's about it. So let's get to it. Just a quick pro tip, get your little pry bar, wrap some electrical tape around it, that way when you're prying stuff up you won't damage the paint. Okay, you'll see now the grill is off, the fog light caps are off. So if you look down in the fog light caps, right up in that corner, on both sides there's actually a M6 bolt. There's 3 along the front here, along there, and there's just a couple of clips holding the grill and such on. So you just need to sort those out, and then the 6 combined for the wheel arches. I think there's 6, there might be more, and then we can pull the bumper off. Right, so the front bumper's off. So once you've got all the bolts undone, there's a couple of speed clips underneath as well. What I did forget to mention was there's one just up here on both sides. Then you pull the outer lips here of the bumper out, and then while you're standing, it's easy with two people, but I can do it myself just fine, so I'm sure you can. Pull the bumper out towards you, it'll clip off, and then walk it to safety. Quick another pro tip, as you're taking all your nuts and bolts out, just chuck them all in a bag with a piece of paper with what's in them, or right on the bag itself, and at least that way you won't lose track of anything. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it's another day. I ran out of time yesterday. I had a party to go to. So as you can see in the background, it's mostly done. I just need to put the bar work itself on, like the actual bar. I spent quite a while mounting the winch control box, which is pretty intense, trying to find somewhere neat that I can put it where it will still work. So I found a spot now, so it's just a matter of putting the rest back on. So let's get to that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how much you can see in the background, but I'm finally done with the front bar anyways. I've still got the rear bar to put on, but that's going to be probably another weekend. But I'll do a bit of a reveal, and yeah. Alright guys, during recording this episode, I was plagued with camera troubles from the start, so I apologise for the missing clips. I'd like to thank everybody for watching and supporting the channel over the last 6 months. I still work full time, so my budget and time are quite limited, but I'm trying to get some semi-regular uploads out. Next year are bigger and better projects, and I'm super excited to get started on them.
and get some filming done with some better equipment. So thanks again. I'm done for the year, and I'll see you all again next year with some fresh projects. Everyone have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash the bell button to keep updated for the New Year's videos. You're all legends, and peace out.